Everywhere we look, there are amazing photographs from amazing photographers. And with all of this bombarding us every single day, it's really easy to get disillusioned thinking that you're a bad photographer. If you watch some of the photography vlogs out there, you'll think that these guys go out there, take 1 or 2 shots and nail the shot every single time. Now, I'll be the first to admit, I'm not the world's best photographer, but I've learned a lot from workshops, online courses, and obviously here on YouTube. And one of the biggest things I've learned along the way is that photography is all about trial and error. With all of these photos that you see online, what you don't see is the time and effort that's gone into taking them. I bet every single really good photo that you've seen online, the photographer has gone out and spent a lot of time planning it and developing it. And we're just seeing the finished product. That's unless the photographer has got really lucky with conditions. And this does happen from time to time. But the more you plan your shoot and the more time and effort that you put into it, the more likely you are to get an amazing shot. I've had photographs that I've envisaged and I've planned and taken my time to work out how to get them. But I'll visit a location and the conditions will be wrong, I'll mess up the settings, or something won't quite be right for me to get the photo that I want. And there have definitely been a couple of locations where I've had to go back at least 10 times to get the right weather or to get the settings bang on. And this is where trial and error comes in. You might have to revisit that location time and time again to get the conditions that you want. If you do mess up the settings or you mess up the shot somehow, make sure you learn from this mistake. After all, the mistakes that we make us who we are. As long as you learn from your mistakes, this process of trial and error leads you towards the goal that you're aiming for. After all, if it was just a case of turning up on a tour bus, taking a shot and walking away, we'd all have these amazing shots. So if you have any self-doubt, which most of us will do going through our photography lives, don't worry. It is a step that you have to go through. Just keep pushing through, getting out there and taking photographs. One thing to do if you are feeling this self-doubt is try going out and photographing something completely random. Try using one lens and that lens alone, or set yourself a photography task. Whenever I'm feeling this self-doubt, that's what I do, and it sometimes knocks me out of this and gets the creative juices flowing again. What'll happen sooner or later is you'll get that aha moment, and all of a sudden things are a lot better and you'll start becoming more and more creative. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. Also, head over to my website at boxheadmike.com, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and sign up for my weekly email. Here you'll get information on all of my latest videos, a previous video, and any photo news I think is relevant. I'll see you next time.